What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking in with thekingsbay.com today. I am Blair, this is Tim, and today we're going to talk about sinks. Who knew this Kings Bay sells some sinks? But before we get into talking about what I have here, someone left a comment on one of our other videos, and Tim, I'm put you on the spot. They wanted to know, where did the Kings Bay name come from?
The Kings Bay was starting of kind of an East India trading company concept. A lot of different products from around the world, things that you wouldn't find everywhere else. So the Kings Bay was a bay where the East India trading purchases and merchandise would come in, silk or satin, just unusual products from all around the world that no one else has seen before. And so that's kind of what we're trying to do here. We're trying to send and produce items for you, our customers, that you're just not going to find.
So if you've checked out the website and you start perusing around, you'll see we carry an eclectic mix of items. But again, let's go through what we have here today. Who knew we have some sinks? And I was so jealous when these start coming off the truck that I want the onyx one right here on the end. That's for me, so we can see where that one's going. But we have three in front of us today. Petrified wood, a boulder, which they literally take it, cut it in half and smooth it out, and then onyx with semi-precious stone. So Tim, lead us through real quick. Tell me a little bit about each one and how we use them and where they go.
Okay. These are used either for bars or for kitchen or bath countertops. They come in a lot of different shapes. These are kind of some of the smaller ones we have. The Riverstone sink here comes maybe twice the size with a soap indentation. This is just one of our smallest onyx sink. It's a semi-precious stone, and they are round and square, every different shape. Very popular.
And another one of my favorites over here.
Right, the petrified sink is probably one of our most popular. This is literally petrified wood. Petrified wood cut down, ground out and smoothed, and turned into a wonderful, wonderful sink. Again, many different shapes and sizes. Some of them even come with a black finish, which is from the original petrified wood. While you're looking at any of these, just another thought is, with a vessel sink, you don't want a standard drain. If you get a standard drain, it'll overflow onto the floor. So we carry a couple of different styles: satin nickel, chrome, oil rub bronze, and they're made exclusively for vessel sinks and for our vessel sinks.
Right. And the difference, what we're talking about with the drain, is on a normal drain, there's a little hole for the overflow, and it drips down through the little channel in the back of a normal sink. These are cut from natural materials. They don't have that. So if you were to use a regular drain in one of these, you basically would just have a problem the first time the sink overflowed.
Right. So they're also available, as always, on thekingsbay.com.
Thanks for checking in with us today. And remember, if you're searching for these sinks, they're popular on Southern Living. You'll see them on Better Homes and Garden. They've been in a lot of magazines. But check out the prices, because again, on thekingsbay.com, we are bringing you value.
thekingsbay.com.